Hello, I am Arindam Mulli and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Audi, and you all I am welcoming you on my C programming course. This is my third video, and today I like to discuss about the some codes, the first code in C language, and I show you the another codes also, another programming. So let's start. So this is our first C program. Like this is a syntax of the writing a code in C. That is the hash, then include, like then this symbol. Okay, then stdio.h. This hash is known as, or hash include is a called the preprocessor directive. Hash is mainly is a preprocessor directive, and the preprocessor is command is hash include, means we are include this file, means stdio.h. .h means header file. Stdio.h is a header file. Then it has include conio.h. Okay, stdio.h is like it is for standard input output. Okay, has include conio.h. That is also another header files. Okay, this is called console input output. Then main function, this from this main function the executions of our code start. Then this is called curly braces. Then after the main we are opening our first bracket and close our first bracket. Okay? This is called curly braces. These brackets are called curly braces. So that is the body of the main function. And keep in mind that every C program have the main function. Next, this is a statement like printf. On the first bracket, on the double quote, we will write the hello world. Basically, which the statements is done, means this printf statement is basically used for the print the result on the our console. This get ch is basically for waiting for the input any character from the keyboard. Now I am showing you the run the code and compile and run the code. So we are go back to our, so we are go on our compiler on us, that is dev C++. I am using the dev C++. So you choose that you are seeing the dev C++ 5.11 version. Then go to the, for creating a new file, is go to the file, then click on new, then up the right side you are choose the click on source file. Then write the code, that is has include stdio.h, has include conio.h. Then we are start the main function. On the main, just print the like hello world. Then keep in mind this semicolon. If you are not give the semicolon, it's a throw and compilation error. Okay. So now save that. It's like click on save as. Choose a file or the folder. You are make a folder for this course. I suggest you, because I am showing you the lots of codes, lots of programming, and you also that practice it. So for reference, you also make a file like name the C program course code. Okay. So now I am save this program, this first. Okay. And see the save as type is C++ source file like .cpp. Then click on save. Then for for compile, click on execute. Then choose the first you are showing the compile, or you can press from keyboard, that is F9 is written. So click on compile and show the here. what are you are show that compilation results, errors are 0, warnings are 0. Okay, and compilation time, how many times are taken. So you can here you are show if there is a error, these are red lights are marked. Okay, then again click on execute, then you are click on run button, click on run. Okay, so what you are showing that hello world. So we have successfully print the hello world. Okay, next is sum of two number and show the code. First, what are the process of the for doing the program? First we take the two input from the user, then we store the value from the two variables, that is a and that is a b. Then we calculate the sum of the a and b. Then we take a variable, it is called sum, and store the variable, and last we are print the result. So okay, go to the dev scene. That's basically that is a code. It is a code. So here you are show that showing the that has include stdio.h means it is a, and what I am telling on the previous, that is a comment line. Here we use the single comment, line comment. Okay, fine. This is a line comment. What is the comments are written? That is a preprocessor directive, means this has include, or this stdio.h standard input output .h is the header file, and this is the main function, and we are declare the variables. Okay, so, how can I declare? I'm already taught it that how can I declare a variable, like here's a data type int, and these are a, b, and sum of the same data type, that is integer. Okay, that is a variable declaration. Next we are like print a statement like enter the two number. Okay, then scanf. This means keep in mind the two function. This printf is for the taking the input, for printing result, or print some statement or result for the console. And scanf, this function is taking the input from the users. Okay, so what we are write that scanf, then open the double quote, then click the double quote, then data type, that is we are written the type is integer, that means we are write the %d, then get, then %d, and close the double quote. Okay, keep in mind that is very important. Scanf function is taking the input from the user. Okay, then how can I write that scanf function? How can I take the input? What is the statement? What is the syntax of it? That is, this is a syntax. We like the write the scanf, then open the first bracket, then in the double inverted, then what a data type. Here we are using the integer. If integer, then %d. Two number for %d space %d. Then double inverted close, comma. Then it is a ampersand, means your address of A, comma, address means ampersand of B. This ampersand symbol specifies the address of A. Okay, means there is a memory location, we are just addressing. Okay, means A have the memory location, we are just addressing. Our value are stored in the A memory location. Memory location is named is A. Okay, like that. Next, this statement we will calculate the sum and A of B, A and B. Here this is a sum is a variable. We are stored the value on A and sum of A and B. Write the, how can I write that? Sum equals to, this is the assignment operator, A, then plus operator plus B. This is a numerical operator. Okay, this means arithmetical operator plus. Sum equals to A plus B. What I've done, this is our take the value of A and B, then got the result and store the sum. Alright. Then we are printing. How can I print the result of the sum? Then this statement means printf. Write the printf, then first bracket open, double inverted, sum colon. What is the type of the result? Or it is also the integer. So write the %d and close the double inverted. Take the comma, then print the what are the value, that is sum. Store our result on the sum variable. So print the sum variable. Okay. So that is basically the C program or C code for the sum of two numbers. Then next code. Now we are trying to find out the area of the triangle. we are use the Hero's formula for the doing the find the area of the triangle. That is the formula we are using. Like first we are required a variable that is the s. On them we are calculate like this formula means a plus b plus c then backslash by 2 means these are this result is divided by 2. Then area like is a variable called area equals to we write that sqrt of first bracket a star first bracket s minus a close first bracket close star s minus b star s minus c. Okay, this is a mathematical function for calculating the square root. Okay, this is a formula what I was using on our code. So we are go to our DevC. This is a program. Okay. Has include stdio.h, has include conao.h, has include math.h. Okay, this you are not like so viewer maybe not be accomplished with the this conao.h. Sometimes it is not required, but you are must write the this has include stdio.h must include this header file. Next, this is a new header file we are using that has include math.h. What is a math.h? Is a header file for includes a mathematical operation. Then this is a main function. Now on the main function, in the body of main function, there is a variable declare. This is a float value. Basically, data type is float. Then variable is a, b, c, and area and s. Then we have string statement. We are printing like a statement like enter the length of the three sides of the triangle, and for input taking the input of the three values from the user we write like scan it on the first bracket open double inverted percentage is it because float means the keyword we are using that is a percentage is f for float percentage is space percentage is space percentage is it. Then we are closing our double inverted in ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c. That means why your ampersand, as we have told already, it is an address. Okay, so means there is a three place a b c. There is a we are addressing that this is a place of a, this is a place of b, this is a place of c. Like there is a box a b c. We can take the value and put in the on that box. Okay, there is a three box like a b c. There is a three box. On that box we are addressing and take the value and corresponding we are put the box of value. Then this is a formula. What I am trying to say that this is calculate the value of s. We require the value of s. S equals to how can calculate the sum of a plus b plus c. Then is a divide by 2. Okay, we are getting the value of s. Then area. How can I calculate the area? Area equals to sqrt of the now the a star s in s minus a means s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus. That is the Hero's formula. In our mathematics, there is this formula is belong. Okay, this is a formula of the calculating the area of the triangle. S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This sqrt function is a calculator for the square root, which is under the math.h header file. Okay. Now, last is we are printing the area. How can I print? We are write that this slash n. You are showing the slash n. This is a new line character. Okay, I am provide the chart. What's the like new line character? Okay, I will provide the chart on the next video. So that is a slash n means go to the next line. Then area is we are printing the area is equals to percentage rate. Like we are printing like that. You may not right is up to you. But this is important. Which variable means the result is stored in the which variable area variable. So print the area. How can I? The slash n area is equals to percentage rate. Close the double inverted then comma, use the comma, and this is the area is a variable. That's we are print. So today we are know that we are write the three codes. So please practice on these three codes. As our codes are move forward, further progress, I will show you the lots of codes, lots of programs. So be prepared about it. Okay, and keep practice. Thank you.